A couple of weeks ago, I reviewed the Blink XT2 camera system, and spoiler alert, it's amazing. You can go and watch that video here, but in short, it is my favourite ever wireless battery-based camera system to date. And Blink said, why don't you give away a 2-camera system to one of your subscribers? And I said, okay, I will. The competition was simply to go through my previous videos, take a screen capture of one of them, and then caption it. And for some reason, everyone took the opportunity to take the ever-living out of me. And that's fine, and it's been brilliant, and it's made me laugh so much. If you don't feature in today's video, it doesn't mean it wasn't good. Every single entry was brilliant. But these were my favourites, and I'll announce the winner at the end. Before I tell you my favourites, you're going to need to understand what the hell this thing is. If you didn't see my video on this is definitely not a sex toy. You put this anywhere near your genitals, it's going to destroy them. So a lot of you latched onto that, and so hopefully you'll now understand what some of these are referring to. Michael Vonk says, definitely not a sex toy. I'm not sure what he's accusing me of here, but whatever it is that he's inferring, I definitely haven't done that. Andrew Cragg says, damn it Nisha, why did you have to spray me with taco farts while I'm trying to record this video? Andrew. Nisha will not be happy about that one at all, but I'm thrilled. Liam Doherty says, baby's reaction to discovering real father. Well, that one hasn't won, has it? Next. Dave Skinner says, Paul Hibbert's trying to remove micro SD card from his brain. Now I presume Dave is suggesting that I am some kind of robot, not that I am so stupid I would have wedged a micro SD card into my inner cerebellum. Dave? Loopy GSD seems to be threatening me with something rude and dirty if this wasn't good enough. What is it? Wow, what is that picture? This is probably my favourite entry, but not the winner because it's preposterous. Next. Dan Mello says, man enraged at overpriced light pulls out lower intestine. Genius. I think Dan thinks I am some kind of robot with light up organs, but either way, I thought this was really clever, so not the winner though. Sorry Dan. Next. Stephen Boal says, okay, it's a sex toy. It isn't, Stephen, and if you use it for that, you will put yourself in the hospital. Do not buy a Recover Pro and batter your penis with it. It is not a marital aid. Honourable mention goes to Alexander Wilk for this stroke of genius. Not that kind of stroke. I'm putting my finger in, I'm not Anyway, this is apparently a statue that hangs outside of Philips Hue's headquarters. I know I'm saying hangs out, it's not a flipping street child. But apparently I like to put my finger in its butt because I'm not Philips Hue's biggest fan. I'm saying expletives that I would never really say in real life, even if I feel them. I would never say them. The winner is Alexander Simon Thompson because of this. I'm sorry. I just thought the use of the fire and the look on my face just... Congratulations, your immaturity has won you a camera. That is it. I hope you enjoyed the competition. I certainly did. It's been an absolute blast. Hopefully there'll be more of these soon. In the meantime, if you've enjoyed this video, a thumbs up will really do me a favor because it tells YouTube that's a good channel. People should watch that stuff. Come and subscribe to me if you want to see more of this guy and ding that bell. It will make sure you're notified when there is a video. These guys are my patrons from Patreon, and they are the best people in the world. They make these videos a possibility. If you want to be one of those guys, you can do that at either Patreon, or you can buy me a one-off beer at PayPal, and either way, I love you forever. See you next time. This, I'm wearing a very blue t-shirt. I'm gonna change. Win a camera. This one. It is here. How fortunate. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler. That's not a word. And spoiler alert, oh gosh, why can't I I can't even say. I can't say words anymore. And I said, why am I doing that? I just don't know how to end this segment. I'm doing it very badly indeed. Let's take one. Try again with take two, Paul.